My name is Chris Eversull, and I'm one of the founders and principals at the Aust group. We're a set of medical device companies. We do both design and manufacturing of medical products, primarily in the cardiovascular space, but we also work on other types of minimally invasive devices. We have multiple sites. Currently, we're working at our production facility in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we also have sites in Northern California and in Louisville, Kentucky. We're now at about 200 people in total in the group. We, some time ago, anticipated that we would be growing, particularly in the manufacturing arena, and felt that we would need more than QuickBooks, for example, to run our operation. Odoo is the ERP system that we use. We've been using Odoo for maybe 7 years now. We use Odoo to run all of our MRP, and so all of the inventory is maintained in Odoo, and all the planning and ordering is executed in Odoo. All of our finance and accounting, quality system, certificates of conformance. ForgeFlow is our long-term Odoo development partner. Is a combination of excellent, technical expertise. So being, knowing the system, being able to, code and build in the system, being able to understand the business processes and objectives, including inventory management, finance and accounting, shop floor control, all the things that you're trying to do. So the ForgeFlow team, not only knows how to configure and code, but they understand what we're trying to do. They have experience with other people trying to do similar things, and that brings a lot of value to the collaboration.